Enjoy the best uni experience at 167 Tompkins Avenue, Brooklyn in New York. A place that puts privacy and comfort on top. Pick your non-ensuite that comes with all amenities you need. Recharge on the full-sized bed, binge-watch sitcoms on the smart TV, and get all utility bills included in the rent for a convenient stay. Become a master chef in the fully stocked kitchen with all modern appliances and kitchenware, or relax with roommates on the scenic rooftop and enjoy mesmerizing NYC views. For students who love sleeping in, you're in luck. Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University are both located just a mile away, so no rush and no long commutes ever. Located in Kings County, this place puts you just a stroll away from Myrtle Willoughby Avenue and Bedford Nostrand subway stations, so getting around the city will be a breeze. So, are you ready to make the most out of your NYC experience? Book your room at 167 Tompkins Avenue, Brooklyn in New York through amberstudent.com today.